Let's make a cinnamon mojito. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to make a cinnamon mojito. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. Have you ever wanted to make really good drinks? You can do so. I started out as a home bartender. In fact, I still am a home bartender. I've never been professional. However, my drinks are to the point right now where a lot of people like them more than the drinks they get at bars, which just says something. And you can get there too if you so desire. Case in point, the cinnamon mojito, which is what we're making today. It still tastes like a good mojito. However, it's got something interesting in it. It's got that little bit of cinnamon. Note that in order to make a flavored mojito, there's a couple of ways to do it. One of the ways I like to do it is to add a flavored syrup instead of using a traditional sugar. So in this case, we are going to be using a cinnamon syrup. And I do make my own syrups at home. This recipe is here on the channel. Feel free to check it out if you so desire. A link will be down below. It'll also be at the end of the video. A note on the rum. For a mojito, it's very traditional to use a white rum of some sort, a Cuban style rum. Having said that, I'm going to be using Trader Joe's Rum of the Gods. It works just fine in this drink. However, if you want to make a really good mojito, maybe use a really good white rum. To make this drink, we're going to start with the mint. I'm going to take these mint leaves off the mint stalk and put them in the bottom of my glass. And it's going to be about 7 to 8 leaves. It really kind of depends on the size of your leaves and the strength of your mint. So experiment and figure out what you like. Next, 1 ounce of lime juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Oh, perfect. 1 ounce of cinnamon syrup. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Next, I'm going to muddle this, and I'm just going to gently muddle this. I want to release the oils in the leaves, not destroy the leaves. I think that'll do. Next, the rum. 2 ounces of rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Fill your glass with ice. And see if you can sneak a spoon in there without losing your muddler to the floor. Give it a couple of stirs. And I'm going to keep my spoon in there for now as I top this off with some club soda. Then I'm going to use my spoon to try and pull some of that mix up through the soda without losing too many bubbles. Get back in there. Okay. Now, more mint, because we want to garnish this with a sprig. My mint is not very happy. I got this from the local grocery store, and it's a little wilty, but you'll just have to put up with it. Just pretend that the mint is nice. Wake it up because it is lazy. Wake up. And add a straw. And there you have it, a cinnamon mojito. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, do you like flavored mojitos? If so, what is your favorite flavor? Leave it in the comments down below, I'd love to know. Note there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. There are social media links down below, feel free to follow me on any of those. I have t-shirts available. If you want a t-shirt, feel free to contact me through those social media links and we'll make sure you get one. And finally, give me a like, give me a subscribe. There'll be more drinks coming. You don't want to miss any. Cheers.